Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the simplest way to delete Valorant from your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure your Valorant is fully closed. If the game is running, it won't uninstall properly. Right-click the Valorant icon in your taskbar and click Close or End it in Task Manager. Valorant uses an anti-cheat called Riot Vanguard, and it also needs to be closed before uninstalling. Look at the bottom corner of your screen. Click the small arrow, find the Vanguard icon, right click it and select Exit Vanguard. Now open Settings on Windows, go to Apps, then click on App and Features. Here you will see a list of programs installed on your PC. Scroll down to Valorant in the list, click it, then click on Install. Confirm the action and Windows will remove Valorant from your PC. Next, scroll again and find Riot Vanguard, click it and select on Install. Confirm and Vanguard will be removed. This ensures no leftovers file remain. Finally, restart your PC. This makes sure all Valorant and Vanguard files are completely removed. And that's it. We have successfully deleted Valorant from your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.